everyone, it's Bobbi-Jo and welcome to my home. I'm coming to you today with a small tutorial. It's about how to get an even border around your card. Usually on the front, but you can do it anywhere. It can be done on album pages. It can be done on scrapbook pages. It can be used at any point. First of all, I wanted to show you what I was using in the beginning, because I was doing pretty much only A2 cards in the beginning. So 5.5 by 4.25. So in order to get an 1/8 of an inch all the way around as a border on the front of my card, I would cut the mat to 5.25 by 4. And that would give me my border. Or if I wanted 1/4 of an inch all the way around, I did and went down a step further and went with 5 by 3.75, and so on, all the way down the list. However, this doesn't help you with all sizes. So that's what I'm going to try to help you with today, because I found it very difficult to get even edges around a card. So first, what we'll do is, I have my card base here. It's 5 by 7 card base, and this is my mat. So this is what I want down onto the front, and I want that border all the way around. So I will cut this smaller, of course, than the original card. So, like I said, it does not have to be a card. It can be just about anything that you're putting a mat on, really. So it can be all manner of things. And that's what I like about it, because with this graph, it's great for the beginner. But yeah, and it's just a small amount of math that I'm doing, and you can do it by looking at your ruler if you want. So to start with, I took 5 by 7, so I've got 7 going down here, 5 going across. So I've decided that I want an 1/8 of an inch border all the way around. So I want to cut my mat so that that border, that black border all the way around, is 1/8 of an inch. In order to do that, what I do is I take in this case, 1/8 of an inch, because that's what the amount that I want around. 1/8 of an inch. Then I double it. So doubling it makes it 1/4. And that is what I'm going to take off on both sides of my paper. So if you're not sure about, because I'm sorry, my math skills have gone out the window years ago now. If you want to, you can take your ruler and you see where you have the 1/8 of an inch mark, and then you just go 1/8 of an inch over again, and you'll see, okay, I've got 1/4 inch. Now, if you wanted, say you wanted 1/4 of an inch width between, so you want it to look more like this all the way around, then all you would do then is you find your 1/4 inch and you have to double it. You bring it to where it's a 1/2 inch. Now, that's what I'll do. So I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to do on the 5-inch side, Here, let's just take this. On the 5-inch side, I'm going to go down to 4 3/4. And on the 7-inch side, 7-inch side, I'm going to go down to 6 3/4. All right, so that my mat is now this size. So here it is. So I've got my 5-inch side. This is my 5-inch side. And then minus the 4 1/4. You're going to get your 4 3/4. And then you're going to get your, on the 7th-inch side, you're going to get 6 3/4. And this will give you the 1/8 of an inch all the way around. Now, if you're wondering too, sometimes people struggle with getting it straight so that it's not like too much showing on one side, too little on the other. What I usually try to do is line it up on the corners. And then I check to see if I have to adjust, but I start with this corner and make sure on both sides it's got the 1/8 of an inch, and that should even it out all the way up. So I'm just going to go through this just again, just to help you out here, because we all know that I don't explain things that great. So essentially we have a 5x7 card. So this is our 5x7 card. And we want to have around our card, when our mat goes down, we want 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to take 1/8 of an inch and double it. So you go plus 1/8 of an inch. That'll give you your 1 1/4. Okay. And then you're going to take 1 1/4 off of the 5. So it's going to be 4 3/4. And then you're going to take 1 1/4 off of the 7. So it's going to be 6 3/4. And this is the amount that you have to cut your mat, so that it's giving you that 1/8 of an inch all the way around. So let's do it another way where we're not doing 1/8 of an inch. Let's say we're doing the 1/4. So I want 1/4 of an inch all the way around my edge. So I'm going to take 1/4. I'm going to double it. It makes it 1 1/2. So what I'm going to do is take 5 minus the 1 1/2. So that'll give me, that'll give me 4 1/2. And then I'm going to take the 7, take away 1/2, 6 1/2. And this is going to be your measurement for your mat. So let's see if it works. I'm going to take it. So I'm going to make it 4 1/2. Sorry, I can't get you all in here. And then I'm going to take 6 1/2. And then we should have a 1 inch, well, a 1/4 inch border all the way around. There we go. So that's why you can do it on any size card or any size album page or what have you, whatever you're doing. To make your mat, all you have to do is take the size of your original and then double what you want to take off. And the reason you have to double it is because you want a 1/4 here, and a quarter here, a quarter here, and a quarter here, for instance. So you have to double those up in order to get that. So if any of you have any questions, let me know. I'm hoping this was pretty clear. But if it isn't, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to do another video. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.